Hello everyone, it's a few days before Christmas, so I just thought I'd do a really quick video to show you how to make these very sweet Christmas trees. They're very vintage looking, they're made from old books, so it's a quick craft to do before Christmas. Let's get started. Okay, so what you need for this craft is an old book. Definitely don't go for a book that you plan on reading again. I picked up a few of these old vintage books outside a second-hand shop. They were just giving them away for free. You'll also need a blade, something like this one. Or you could use a kitchen knife if you've got a nice sharp one, or a pair of scissors if you need to. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is separate the cover from the book. And this one's already starting to come apart, but we're just going to cut down in there, down their spine, back and front to remove the cover. It can be a little bit tricky. Oh, there we go. There's the front gone. See if we can get it done so easily on the back. Cool, that wasn't too hard. And we'll just dispose of the old cover. So you probably want to remove those loose pages if you've got some, and pull away any untidy bits that are there. So I'm just left with the book and the glued spine, so it's still all intact. I've got quite a few loose pages here, so I'm just going to take all of those out so that they don't get in my way. Now we're going to start folding, and what you want to do is grab the corner of your page, the top corner, and bend the page in so it meets nicely with the spine of the book, and run your finger down to make a really nice crease. And then we're going to fold it again, starting your fold right at the top, meeting the spine of the book and pushing that down into a nice crease as well, and turning up the bottom of the page. And you can see that's already a nice sort of Christmas tree shape, the triangular shape. And we're going to go through and do that to the entire book. So this is the second page. Just going to bend that down into a nice crease. Turn it round if it's easier. Push that into the spine on the second fold. Another nice crease there, and then bend the top up. Okay, and then you're just going to keep doing that, folding down to the center of the book, to the spine, folding again, up like that, and then folding the bottom up. Just like that. Now I'm going to go through and keep doing the whole book. You start getting a build-up of pages, and eventually that will turn into our Christmas tree. I'll speed the video up to make it a little bit faster. few pages of the book. You will have seen that the further in the book you get, the more tricky it becomes to fold the pages. But you can just turn the book and move the book in any way that suits you to keep folding those pages. I can see now this book's had a little repair on these last couple of pages, so I'll just fold them in as best I can. Pages seem quite brittle in this book. They're prone to tearing a little bit, just because it's so old. It's had a hard life. I think it's been a library book. Okay, and then you're just going to stand your book up, and you probably want to adjust it a little bit from being squished. Remember, it's meant to look vintage, so it doesn't need to look absolutely perfect. But there you can see the pages look pretty good. Well, I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. Back here is the tree I've just finished, and the two I made earlier. A little idea for the top. I just cut out these stars from cardboard and painted them gold, and you can just pop them in the hole that's left in the top of the tree, like that. Or another idea is you could put in a little paper flower, like that, which is quite sweet. Or else I've got this little swap picture. Some of you might remember these from your childhood. You just cut them out of a sheet of swaps, and I've just sellotaped that onto a wooden skewer, and you can just pop that into the hole in the center of the tree, and then you've got Santa sitting there on top of the tree. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, please give me a like, a thumbs up, or subscribe to my channel, share with your crafty friends, or leave me a comment. I love to read your comments. Anyway, I hope you all have a very happy Christmas, and best wishes to you and your family and friends. Thanks for watching.